Welcome to Animator, the very powerful and popular post-processor that has been around since the early 90s. GNS Animator is brought to you by CDH. This video is a tutorial on how to create toolbars. The toolbars contain buttons and selectors which may implement any function in Animator. Some predefined toolbars exist which are explained in the appropriate context in the manual. It is also possible to define custom toolbars. Here are some of the default toolbars at the top of your screen, and here are toolbars that I made: isometric view, undeformed geometry, explode view, etc. Toolbars can be made with or without images or icons or just text, which we'll demonstrate shortly. Other commands I made into toolbars are making one-dimensional elements a little easier to see, showing the max function in any given time step, and unhighlighting anything that was highlighted. A quick demo of a couple of these functions. This is undeformed geometry at time step 0. You can see as I animate, the wireframe display of its undeformed geometry is visible. The custom toolbar next to this is explode view. We are going to be doing an exercise shortly on how to create this exact command. Also notice clicking the button once turns it on and twice turns it off. If you go into global options, then GUI, then toolbars, you'll notice you have 4 different ways to display your toolbars. Icon only, which is currently displayed. Text only, some people prefer that. Text besides the icon. And lastly, text underneath the icon. User's choice. Back to icon. Finally, we're going to create a new explode view toolbar. The actual command to create the exploded view is as follows: exp explode automatic the XYZ direction, and then the scale factor. In this case, the exploded view is going to be in all directions at a scale rate of 0.5. As you can see, the toolbar is a bit more convenient than the long keyboard command. To look further into this toolbar, go to User Configurations from Settings, double-click on the desired command, and take a look at the pop-up menu. We're going to create a similar menu to this for our next exercise. To create a toolbar, select Add Action, and we'll fill out the displayed menu. The name that you enter will be displayed in the toolbar area, and the tooltip is what you're going to see when your mouse hovers over the actual toolbar. You can add an icon or no icon, and this is the context within Animator and what type of command: session file or script or an actual command. The command, as you saw earlier, will be entered here: explosion automatic 0x 0y 0z at a scale of this time of 0.75, and all meaning the entire display. I am going to add a second command, view fill, and I do that by separating the two with a semicolon. Checkable allows you to create a toggle switch, in this case, turning exploding view on and off. And once you create this, you'll notice on the left, actions and shortcuts, our command was created. Simply grab that and drag it over to where you want it to reside, and you'll notice as soon as you drop it, the toolbar is created. You can now click the exploded view on and off with a view center each time. Thank you for your attention, and please feel free to contact us.